This is Beau Rivage, Biloxi, room 23077. It is a king ocean view room. You walk directly into the bathroom. You have a nice deep soaking tub. Makeup mirror. You have a nice vanity. And then you have a nice separate shower. We have a room that is near the end of the hallway so we can also see the beach. You've got your closet. Nice large television with a desk, 2 comfortable chairs, large king-size bed. We checked in at night, so there isn't a whole lot to see right now, but we do have the ocean and beach view. Again, this is a king ocean view room at Beau Rivage, Biloxi.